These are the KastKing straight nose 9-inch pliers. These are really great pliers. So I just picked this up from my tackle box. I bought like an all-in-one tackle box with like 400 items. So I'm just looking to upgrade some of the pieces just piece by piece here. And these pliers are one of the first upgrades I'm doing. These are made out of the polymer coated carbon steel. They're just very heavy duty here. You can see inside the teeth right here, they got all different things. They're for crimping, tuning, cutting, etc. I initially just wanted just to get a hook out of a fish's mouth when necessary, but I learned they just do a lot more things. You can see here they got some really nice teeth on it. They cut right here, so this is pretty much an all-in-one tool. You see the line will just go in here for the crimping and things like that, but overall this is a very nice product. They have some really nice grips on it here, and again, this is the polymer coated carbon steel, so these are definitely built to last. KastKing is a really great brand. They made some really great stuff, so if you're looking for some pliers, down here you get the 9-inch straight nose pliers, all these different amenities on here, really high quality product.